Welcome to YouAcademy English Club.
We're excited to learn with you.
The shepherd boy, the wolf. There was a shepherd boy. He looked after a flock of sheep. He took the sheep to the forest every morning. He brought them back in the evening. One day he played a trick with the villagers. It's a boring day. I have to play a trick with villagers. Help, help, there is a wolf. There is a wolf. Ha ha ha, it's very funny. Go away, fool. Another boring day. I have to play with villagers. Help, help, there is a wolf. There is a wolf. Go away, fool!
Today I am very hungry. I want to eat something. Ah, delicious lamb.